Storytime programmer at the Faulkner County Library in Conway, Arkansas. And this is our second summer STEAM program of the summer. And our theme this summer is Imagine Your Story. And this week I am thinking about dragons. So today in Summer STEAM, first I'm going to show you how to make this dragon mask. And if you want to request a materials packet to replicate this activity at home, these materials will be in there. So to make this mask, I am going to use a pattern. Like I said, this will be in your packet. I am going to color it with some crayons. Crayons are great. Coloring and writing with crayons helps keep your hand and finger muscles strong. And then after I color my patterns with the crayons, I am going to cut it out with, what do we use to cut things out? Yeah, a pair of scissors. And then I am going to use some glue dots. I will put some of these in your packets as well, but you can also use stick glue or liquid Elmer's glue. Really, you just need something that will glue or stick pieces together. And then we're gonna cut them out and put them together to make this fantastic mask. Here we go. You get to enjoy the time-lapse vid. Did you notice that I used 3 popsicle sticks here on the back to help kind of hold it upright and make sure I have plenty of handle for my big grown-up sized hand to hold? And I cut out the pieces and I had to kind of put them together in a specific way to make it look like this. So you'll want to do the, this goes on the back, and then you put the horns and the, what I call the top fringe on. And I also, I used, where is it here? These were what I used to color out, to trace and cut out the eyes. This is the horn pattern. There's only one of these, so you'll have to trace it, cut it out, color it, and flip it the other way so you have horns that both point in. And as you can also see here, this is the bottom flame, the middle flame, and the skinny flame there in the middle, and there's the nose and the snout. And also, if you've got a little one and this is just a little bit too challenging for cutting, I am also including, yes, the entire mask put together if you just want to color it and cut it out and do it that way. But I encourage you to try it the layered way too. It's really good exercise for our hands and good exercise for our fine motor skills. Okay, next up, I'm going to show you how to make, instead of a dragon mask, a fire-breathing dragon. To make our fire-breathing dragons, we're going to need a cardboard tube. Hello! We are going to need some green construction paper, although if you want to make your dragon a different color, you can use a different color of construction paper, but I'm going to be putting a cardboard tube and green construction paper in your packet. I'm also going to be putting some orange, yellow, and red crepe paper streamers in there. We're going to use some googly eyes that I will also include in your packet. Again, we are also going to be using some glue dots and some green pom-poms, 2 different sizes, a larger size and a smaller size. So let's get to work. What'd you think? Yeah, look at my fire-breathing dragon. I already have a dragon named Smokey. What should I name this one, I wonder? Now, I kind of made my crepe paper streamers a little long. I think if I were making it a second time, I would probably cut them in half. As a matter of fact, I have some scissors. I may just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna cut them in half. Chop. And then if you want to, you can even kind of cut slits into them. Fish. You can go. You can kind of see how strong your breath is. Looks like when I blow out, really the way I kind of put them in here, the top one's the only one that moves. So let's try it. I'm going to show you. Oh, I got 2 of them to move that time. Oh, I love my little fire-breathing dragon. So again, in the packet to replicate this at home, you've got a cardboard tube. I'll be putting in some green construction paper, some red, orange, and yellow crepe paper streamers, 4 green pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, and some glue dots. I hope you have fun with this. But today, I do want to show you one other thing. This is a little science demonstration. I hope you think is as cool as I think it is. Here we go. All right, today in Summer STEAM, we have made a dragon mask. We have made a fire-breathing dragon, which gave me pause to wonder, what would you do if you were in a story and in the story there was no 911? There were no firefighters. How would you put something out if a fire-breathing dragon set a fence on fire or a castle on fire? How would you put it out? Water, that's a good one. Dirt, yeah. Fire extinguisher, but how would you make a fire extinguisher? Well, we're not gonna make a fire extinguisher like one that you keep at your house to put out fires, but this little science demonstration is called making a fire extinguisher. And we are gonna use our good old trusty vinegar, baking soda. You'll need a grown-up to do this because you'll need some kind of a lighter or matches. You'll need a candle. I'm gonna try one of these 2 tea lights. A measuring spoon, a funnel, or a piece of paper, and I've got a cup here because I'm back at the library and I forgot to bring measuring spoons again, and I haven't bought any yet. The first thing I'm gonna do, and you'll also need a small bottle. I've got this green tea plastic bottle I'm gonna use. All right, so to do this, we are gonna pour 5 tablespoons of vinegar into this bottle. And I need to measure it. So what I think I'm gonna do is pour the vinegar into the cup and then pour it into the bottle. Okay, so here we go. I've gotta do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll be honest, I'm gonna put in one more because those were not all completely full tablespoons and they did not, all that liquid did not go into the bottle. Okay, so we've put in the vinegar and now I'm going to use a folded piece of paper to act as a funnel to pour half a tablespoon of baking soda into the bottle. But I think before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and light our candle. All right. Do-do-do-do. I thought I'd already opened this, but I hadn't. My name's Miss Mary, and I'm not gonna let lack of scissors bring me down. Okay. There we go. Okay. I think that's about half. Yeah, it said it would foam a little bit. Okay, now it says to hold the bottle. Whoop, you guys can't see that. There we go. There's the flame. It says to hold the bottle sideways over the candle, making sure no liquid pours out. It blew it out. But I didn't pour any of the liquid onto it. How did that work? I read a book. It says how it worked in the book. Let's see what the book says. It says that flames or fire need a gas called oxygen to burn. So this demonstration shows us what happens to a flame when it's surrounded by carbon dioxide. Yeah. So the vinegar and the baking soda, when they combine or react here in the bottle, it makes, does it make oxygen or carbon dioxide, do you think? It makes carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is heavier than air, which is where a lot of the oxygen is that the flame needed to burn, right? So when we hold the lid of the bottle over by the flame, the carbon dioxide is heavier than the air, and it pushes the air away from the candle. And without that air that has the oxygen in it, the flame can't burn. It goes out. You gonna do it again? I'm gonna do it one more time. Just for funsies. I may have to put some more baking soda in it. All right, I wanna make sure you guys can see that. Here we go. All right. Put a little more baking soda in there. Doodly 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 doo. Here we go. Whoa! I think it's super cool. All right, so thanks for joining me for our dragon-themed summer STEAM program. I can't remember what we're doing next week, but I'm gonna try to make it as fun as possible. And again, if you want the materials packet to make the dragon mask and or the fire-breathing dragon, submit your request in the link that is with this video. Take care.